Hayes here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, let me tell you what, there are two things that are heading out of this shop quick. That is a TMG Volunteer and my hairline. Listen here, my hairline's too far gone, but this Volunteer is still here, so let's check her out. Now, there's several things that are very special about the TMG Volunteer. Now, first off is the lead time, all right? Now, you want to get on our custom build list, you're talking about 60 weeks. That's right, hey, it's worth the wait, guys, but some people don't want to wait that long. So hit us up on the Volunteer. Do have a little bit shorter lead time on it, but that's not all that makes it special. So now, first off, this is going on man, Jeffrey Naylor. We are shipping this for him. So yes, we do ship all across the country. Hey, we ship nationwide. Okay, so if you want a TMG pit, we are going to do everything we can do to get you a TMG pit wherever you are. But Jeffrey ordered up this Volunteer, and he did do a couple upgrades on it. He got it set up on our off-road package, got some badass upgraded wheels and tires from our friends Mods down in Texas, and he also had us put on this slick stainless steel front shelf. Normally you'd have a wire mesh shelf there. That stainless steel, it looks good, cleans up quick, won't rust up on you. So love that stainless steel shelf. Check out the smoke chamber here. Now, another thing that makes the Volunteer special is just the size of it. Right, this is a big ass smoker right here, guys. We got a 52-inch wide smoke chamber, 27 inches deep. So got a lot of cook room in it, bottom grate, and of course a sliding top grate in there. Now we do give you a water pan tray back here in the back, so that way you're not taking up any cooking room with your water pan. Now you do get a fold down stack, standard on the Volunteer, guys. Don't have to pay extra for that. She just folds down. Put your T-handle in there, lock it for when you're going down the road, because this sucker is tall. Now the whole smoke chamber is 1/4 inch. The firebox, however, is 3/8 thick steel. Got a 3/8 door on there as well, so extra heavy duty firebox, a built to last, guys. You know, made in the USA, hey, we're proud of it. You know what I'm saying? Got D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners there. So that is Jeffrey's Volunteer. So we're about to crate it up, ship it out there to him. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.